Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on calculus. This is the third problem on finding the limit of piecewise functions. And as you can see, mayroon tayong tatlong pieces ng functions dito. Hindi katulad dun sa previous two examples natin, ang dalawa lang. Okay, so let f of x be equal to x squared if x is less than 2. 6 minus x if x is between 2 and 4, and 4 included, and x minus 3 if x is greater than 4. Now find each limit. So first we have to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 2, and then we will find the limit of f of x as x approaches 4. Pwede ulit tayo mag-draw ng number line, no? And kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong x is less than 2, di ba? So, ito yung 2 natin. And the other one is between 2 and 4. Tapos, meron tayong greater than 4. So, tong part na to, sa left ng to, ito yung part na x is less than 2, di ba? Tapos, tong part na to, ito yung x is less than or equal to 4, tsaka greater than 2. No? And tong part na to ay x is greater than 4. Yung f of x natin, yung x is less than 2, ang katapat niya ay x squared. Yung between 2 and 4, ang katapat niya ay 6 minus x. At yung x is greater than 4, ang katapat niya ay x minus 3. Now, nakakatulong yung diagram na yan para madali natin makita yung limit ng function. So first, we have to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 2. Which means na kailangan nating tignan both the left hand and right hand limit of the function, no? As x approaches 2. So ano yung limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left, no? So dito yung from the left, which means na dito natin isa-substitute sa x squared kasi yun yung corresponding function niya. Yung x minus 2, dito siya sa x squared. So this means that we will substitute 2 dito sa x. Kaya ito ay x squared, which means 2 squared, which is equal to 4. So the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the left is equal to 4. Or pwede natin sabihin na ang kanyang left hand limit ay 4. What about the right hand limit? We want to know the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 from the right. So, ang 2 from the right, dito siya, which means yung corresponding function niya ay 6 minus x. Which means na yung 2 dito, ay substitute natin siya dito sa x. Sa pangalawang function, dahil yung domain niya ay between 2 and 4, and 4 included. So, which means that this is equal to 6 minus x, which is equal to 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. So, 4 yung right-hand limit niya. So, ano nga masasabi natin pag pareho yung left-hand limit at right-hand limit? So, pag pareho silang 4, ibig sabihin the limit of f of x as x approaches 2 is equal to 4. Yung value din ng left-hand at right-hand limit. That is if they are equal. So, this is equal to 4. Okay, pwede na siguro natin burahin ito. Paano naman yung pangalawa? What is the limit of f of x as x approaches 4? Ganon din, kukunin din natin yung left hand at right hand limit kasi magkaiba yung expression, no? Yung greater than 4 at yung less than 4. So, we have to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the left at the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the right. So, the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the left, dito siya, di ba? Nag-approach siya ng 4 from the left, and yung corresponding expression ay ito. This means that we will substitute 4 dito sa x. Kasi ito yung kanyang corresponding expression. So, this is equal to 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. What about the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the right? Ito naman yun. Itong part na to. And ito naman yung kanyang corresponding expression. This means that we will substitute for here sa x ng pangatlong expression because x minus 3 is the corresponding expression. So this is equal to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So magkapareho ba yung left-hand limit niya tsaka right-hand limit? Hindi, no? And ano nga ulit yung napag-aralan natin pag hindi magkapareho yung left-hand limit tsaka right-hand limit? The limit of f of x as x approaches 4 does not exist. Okay? So, let's have one more. Paano naman to? Graph lang, walang equation. Find the limit of f of x as x approaches 2. So, ang ina-approach natin na number ay 2, di ba? X equals 2. So, ito yan. Actually, ito yung line na yan. And as you can see, as x approaches 2 from the left, papunta dito, ano yung ina-approach ng value ng function? Papunta tayo dito, di ba? So, ina-approach niya ay 4. That's from the left. Paano pag from the right? So, galing siya dito, ang ina-approach niya dito ay, anong value ang ina-approach? Anong y value? Anong function value? Still 4, no? So, parehong 4 yung from the left and from the right. So, this is equal to 4. What about the limit of f of x as x approaches 4? Saan naman yung x equals 4? Ito yun, di ba? So, itong line na to actually ang ina-approach niya. So, as x approaches 4 from the left, anong ina-approach siya na value, na y value? Di ba ito? So, ang limit, the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the left is equal to 2. What about pag from the right? Anong value ang ina-approach niya? 1, di ba? Yung value na ina-approach niya. So, the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 from the right is equal to 1. Hindi ko nasulat kanina pero ito ay 2. So, magkaiba yung left-hand limit niya tsaka right-hand limit, which means that the limit does not exist. As you can see, pwede natin kunin yung limit ng function pag meron tayong graph. Now, actually, this graph is the graph of the function in problem 3. Kaya kung makikita nyo, pareho din, no? The limit of f of x as x approaches 2 is equal to 4, and the limit of f of x as x approaches 4 does not exist. Okay, so that's it. This ends our examples on limits. Siguro as we go on, magkaroon pa tayo ng more examples about this, no? But as of now, I hope you understood the concept, no? Both algebraically and graphically. Sa susunod na video ay pag-aaralan natin yung limit of trigonometric functions. That's it. Maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating tutorial. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. And bring your friends. Pwede nyo i-like yung video natin at pwede nyo i-share sa inyong mga Facebook accounts. And I'll see you in the next video.